What happens when an unstoppable force meets an unmovable object? In the far corners of the universe, two unimaginable forces exist, one that consumes everything in its path, and one that throws everything out. The black hole, the white hole. And today we imagine the impossible. What if they collided? A black hole is the most terrifying vacuum in the universe. It has gravity so strong that not even light can escape. When a star dies, it can collapse into a black hole, and that hole keeps pulling in anything that comes too close. Planets, stars, even time itself. They don't just exist, they grow. They become supermassive, sitting at the center of galaxies, including our own, the Milky Way. Now imagine the complete opposite. A white hole. Unlike black holes, nothing can enter a white hole. Instead, it constantly pushes matter and energy outward, violently. Scientists believe white holes are hypothetical, but some theories say they might be the exit doors of black holes. Meaning, what goes into a black hole could come out through a white hole somewhere else in the universe, or another dimension. Mind blown yet? So what happens if a white hole and a black hole collide? Well, that we don't know for sure. But here's what scientists think. The black hole would try to pull in the white hole, and the white hole would resist, pushing matter out. This could create a paradox, a battle of forces so intense it might collapse space-time, trigger a super explosion, create a wormhole, or destroy both objects completely. Some even say this could restart the universe. Big Bang 2.0 question mark. The truth is, no one has ever seen a white hole. They exist only in math and theory. But black holes, they're real. We've even captured their image. So while this collision may sound like science fiction, in a universe with infinite possibilities, who's to say it hasn't already happened? The universe hides its biggest secrets far beyond what we can see. And sometimes, the most insane what-if could be the next greatest discovery. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending space mysteries. What do you think would happen if a black hole and a white hole collided? Drop your theory in the comments.